all young people who used to be in production are riding borders in Kampala. They have sold plots. Those who are, you go to Dubai.
Are you suggesting it's not a job? It's a service.
Come here. Do you want your son to be riding a border?
No, but
are you preparing?
Are there no toilet cleaners in the USA?
Is that a good job?
No, but it's a job.
I have met
it's
Ugandans.
A service.
Yes, but that's for the lowest. Nobody desires to be a toilet cleaner.
It's a service.
And you cannot, please, you cannot say that I am preparing my children to be toilet cleaners. No. At least if you are preparing yours, me, I'm not. Mine, I don't want them to be.
Can be a manager, an entrepreneur.
I don't want my children to be toilet cleaners.
No, but
if for you want, I give you credit.
I think you are misleading young people.
I am not misleading them. I am saying the economy you are talking about today is an economy where children are selling land that they should be using for production to ride borders. And then you meet them in Murago after accidents